Okay, so welcome to the FreshMember demo video. Just want to show you inside of the admin area as well as what a member would see when they log into one of your membership sites. So it's really super easy to navigate and to create a membership site in literally minutes. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to log into your dashboard where you can see all the different membership sites that you are managing, and you can see things at a glance. So how many different projects you have, the total number of members you have, aggregated over all of your different membership sites. And then you can see each one individually. So you can see, you can go right directly to one of your membership sites if you want to. You can see the data was created, the number of members, the number of comments, and then who is an admin for your members or membership sites. So you're able to have as many administrators as you want to. Maybe those are people who are contributing content or moderating comments or adding new accounts, whatever it may be. You can see all the different people who are contributing. Now, we do have a few different options right directly from the dashboard. You can go and create a new project, which I'll do here in just a second, but you can also quickly add a new member if you want to. So all you need to do is just click on that button, and you can add in someone. If you want to add someone manually, you can do that. But we also have lots of different payment gateway integrations, so things like PayPal and Stripe you can integrate with. Now, we also have these quick links that you can go to manage your different membership sites, or actually go inside of the configuration or setup area. But what I'll do just for this demo is show you guys how to walk through the wizard that we have and how easy it is to set up your membership site. So you just click on Create New Project, and it's just going to take you through some basic membership settings. So what you would do is just say this is for a project that I'm working on. I'm just gonna call this like the outsource project, and this will give you a unique membership URL. Now, once you have this membership URL, you're going to be able to create what's called a CNAME record. So you can have this mapped to one of your other domains if you'd like to. So if you want to have them log in at, say, members.theoutsourceproject.com, so it's branded for your own URL, you can do that in a later time. Okay, so you can just give this a description if you want to, and then you have the option to add a forum if you want. Okay, so you can either enable or disable it depending on if you want to have that type of interaction, a pretty standard forum where people can post threads and people can reply to those threads. Okay, so that's completely up to you if you want to add that. And then we're going to hit next, and we're going to go into the design and branding options. So what we've done is we've created 10 different themes that you can choose from in terms of your different look and feel. So you can go and take a look at each of these different themes if you'd like, and choose what type of design you would like for your membership site. So for this example, I'm just going to choose this design, and we're going to have that load. And you can go in and change the look and feel whenever you want to. So it doesn't really matter how you build out your site. Each of these themes will work with however you lay it out with your navigations and options. And so once you've selected your design, you can choose like the background color, the footer background, and then you can also upload your logo so it shows up inside of the members area. Okay, then from there, you can choose what integration you want to use for when somebody purchases your membership site. So you can integrate with PayPal, Stripe, JVZoo, as well as DigiResults. We're adding in other integrations with like Pay Kickstart and Infusionsoft and some other integrations as well. So depending on when you're watching this video, there may actually already be some other solutions as well. So it's very simple. All you need to do is just, if you want to process through credit cards, you'd have to use Stripe. If you want to process through PayPal, you'd have to obviously enable those and then set up those configurations. Okay. After that, you're going to choose all of your different membership levels. So this is how, if you want to have different levels, maybe different price points, all you need to do is set up those levels, choose your price points, and then you also get an order link, which we have these pre-configured checkout pages that look great. These have been tested before, and these are beautifully designed. So as you can see, they look great. And then on step 5 here, you just have to integrate with your email integration. So this is how, for everybody that gets added to your membership site, you can add them into your autoresponder. So we have lots of different API integrations. Then we'll also have the ability to add in, if just a raw HTML form code if you want to integrate with just any autoresponder. Now we also have the ability to allow you to control the templates that get sent out, the receipt, like the customer receipt, then the welcome email, and then the forgot password. So you can completely customize this with short codes. So you can tailor it for that specific member, and have it say what you want it to say. Then after that, you're going to click next, and you're going to go into your checkout pages. So we have 4 different checkout page designs that you can utilize. So right now we're using this one, but you can use any of these, and they look great. And then from there, you are ready to go. So we've completed that setup, and it brings you right into kind of the membership dashboard. So this is where you can control all of your different members. You can control the different member pages as well as site pages. So there's a difference between member pages and site pages. Let me just show you an example of one. So site pages would be kind of all of the navigation generally at the top. So it'd be like a welcome page, maybe a link to support. It could be just general navigation things. And then usually your membership pages are something like this when you go into module 1 or week 1 or however you're going to structure your content. And you can go and you can click here, and then it'll show the content, and then the post, and then if you have any types of downloads as well. So depending on the design that you're using, you'll be able to structure how this stuff looks and how it's laid out. But all you need to do to create a page is click on we're going to go to member pages, and then you can create categories and then create pages underneath that category. So maybe this is module 1, and say who I want to give this access to. So say this is for the basic level customers. I'm going to enable this category, and then from there I'm going to add this category. So now that I have that module, I can go in and just start creating a new page. Okay. So this is page 1, whatever. And then you have just like a normal WYSIWYG editor. If you guys have ever used WordPress or any other content management solution, you should be pretty familiar with this kind of layout. You can just put in all of your content, your videos. You could have a little page excerpt, which would show up on the module on this page here, would show up underneath as a description. Right. And then you have your SEO settings if you want to optimize this. Now, all this content is going to be locked down unless you make it free, which you can make it free or available to anybody if you want to. The majority of you guys are probably going to be locking this content for members. But you can go in and you can publish this content. If you want to choose a specific date that you want this to be published on, you can do that. If you want to add a drip feed, so when someone signs up, they don't get access to this content for, say 8 days. Okay, you can attach a feature image if you want to. Select which category this content goes under. Select who the author is. You can enable or disable comments, and then we also have 2 different layouts, but we're adding additional layouts as well. So depending on how you want this content to be laid out on the page, you can choose how you want that to look. Okay. And then you can just click on browse, and then you can start to upload any images or PDFs or any type of downloads that you have that you want to attach to a specific page. So that is how you're going to add in your content. Again, you can do the same thing with site pages, like a welcome page, which that's where everybody will go when they first log into your membership site. Okay, then you can go in and create your different navigations. Now, maybe depending on the navigation for a specific level, it may be different for each level. So all you need to do is just go and click on the categories that you want, and just start adding in where you want them to be. So you have your top navigation, your sidebar navigation. You can add in custom links as well, and you can just save that menu, and then it'll start to reflect on your the front end of your membership site. Okay. Then again, this is where you can just start to go and edit any of the comments. So when people are commenting, this is just your moderation queue here. You can easily delete or mark as spam, or mark it approved or unapproved. Then we also have reports as well. So right now there's nothing showing, but as members start to come in, you can see your member activity, sales history, as well as your members count. And then everything that we customized before, you can go in here and change. So we also have a theme editor, so you can go in if you guys are familiar with HTML and CSS and all that kind of stuff. You can go in and actually change the templates to do whatever that you want them to do. Okay, but you don't have to. That's just obviously an option. Then you can also go back in here and click on like domain mapping. So if you want this to go to a specific URL that people will log into for your own site, you can do that in just a few minutes. And then you also have your admin area where you can start to add in different site admins that can help with controlling your comments and adding content and anything that you want to do from a day-to-day operational standpoint for your membership sites. So as you can see, guys, we do add lots of different features and functionality throughout, as this product evolves. So we're gonna, when you look at it now, it may be a little bit different than how it'll actually look, but we did try to add in as many features and functionality that you guys wanted based on all of your feedback, and we continue to have our team add in additional features. So that was just a quick kind of run through of FreshMember, and we look forward to seeing you guys inside of the members area.